of Tiana in the early morning rain. The lake was calm and silver, the air so fresh and plain. The road stretched out before us, the mountains calling near. A journey to the ocean's arms, the path is crystal clear. The valleys open wider, with rivers running free.
Green fields fade to granite walls that rise above the trees.
Snow crowns the peaks like stories etched in stone,
and waterfalls come tumbling down, singing all their own. On the road to Milford Sound, the world is wild and true. Every turn a painting, every mile a view. The mountains tower higher, the waterfalls resound.
There's nothing like the drive that leads to Milford
Sheep graze on the roadside, clouds drift across the sky. Every bend reveals a wonder, it makes you want to cry.
The air is sharp with silence, broken by the stream. It's more than just a journey,
It feels just like a dream.
we climb into the ranges. The road turns steep and slow.
Avalanche and rocky cliffs, the valleys far below.
The sky breaks open wider, the alpine chill sets in.
And echoes off the canyon walls, where endless tales begin. On the road to Milford Sound, the world is wild and true.
Every turn
Turn a painting, every mile of view. The mountains tower higher, the waterfalls resound.
there's nothing like the drive that leads to
Milford Sound. And the darkness swallows us through Homer tunnels hard, carved into the mountain stone, a man-made work of art.
You feel the weight of ages pressing all around,
Till daylight bursts like freedom and your glory bound.
Here you can stretch out guitar, fiddle or piano. 1-2 minutes of instrumental to let the song breathe, like the long road itself.
out the other side we're blinded by light on ice and snow. Waterfalls cascade from cliffs 1,000